Stuck on eggs? Burnt on batter? You can scrub and scrape, but you can't escape
the nightmare of your sticky pans!
Introducing the Granitestone Pan, the world's most durable non-stick pan known to man. No butter or oil needed. Watch, we melted down these sticky candies in Granitestone, and it just doesn't stick. We cooked a half dozen eggs, bacon, cheese, and tomato breakfast with no butter or oil, and it just doesn't stick. Look, caramels, chocolate, and cheese. Unreal for any other pan, but not for Granitestone. It just doesn't stick. Granitestone will be the last pan you'll ever own because it's pressed from a solid aluminum disc for even heat conduction, then coated 3 times with our durable Granitestone finish, making it metal utensil safe. We cut this perfectly seared steak right in the pan without scratching. This salmon cooked skin side down with no added butter or oil. Just doesn't stick. And because Granitestone is oven rated to 500 degrees, we bake this upside down pan pizza to perfection, and it just doesn't stick. Fire flambe delicious cherry jubilee. Plus, it's PFOA free and dishwasher safe.